Hi, girls. I know there's no timestamp on this, but it's 11:30 on Sunday night. Hope you had a wonderful holiday, socially distanced properly from the rest of your family. But it's been a long day in the Stanford house, and I wanted to make sure I got this done before I crash here. I'm going to keep this short and sweet and as simple as possible. This week should be a 4-day week. I don't care if you take off Monday or if you take off Friday, whatever you want to do, take a day off this week, okay? At least from my class, if you can't from your other classes. So this is what your Schoology page for AP Lang looks like this week. This folder will publish after midnight, so your folder is purple this week. When you log in, click here, and you'll just see two documents. This one here has everything broken down in it. This is where at the end of the week, when you're ready, you turn everything in. So whenever you click on this guy, it'll load, and I hate how it loads in this page. So I'm going to pop open what you'll see here. Let's see, there it goes. Look, I'm a bunny. Okay, so this document is right here. I want to take you through it on here. The weekly update video will be embedded here. You can click and then you can start watching me there. We are going to keep things relatively consistent. 4 major components this week. Number 1, keep working on your writer's notebook. Number 2, continue your reading log. Those are just ongoing documents, whether they're digital or physical. So just continue with your work with those. Only 4 days this week. So 4 days of writing and 4 days of reading. This week I assigned you a fairly simple Newsella article that I'd like you to read, staying with current events and also learning about American history in relation to pandemics. It is on the 1918 Spanish flu pandemic and correlations that are being made from the past to the present. And then I also assigned you your Unit 6 FRQ, which is your free response question. And I want you to do some multiple choice ones this week as well on AP Classroom, just to keep your brain thinking. Side notes, keep working on your Quizlet for vocabulary. You're not going to get better with that vocab if you're not working with it consistently. I don't care if it's 5 or 10 minutes here and there. Just keep practicing so that you're ready to use that vocab on the test in May and in the future. Workbook, take a break from the workbook this week. And then just 2 other just personal side notes. What's working well with all of this online learning and what's not? Are the things I'm giving to you, is it manageable or is it putting you over the edge? Can I do anything to make anything better? You got to let me know, okay? Whether you send me an email, if you want to talk to me on the phone, email me and we'll exchange phone numbers and life will be good. I'm not worried about talking to you girls on the phone if you need to talk to me. What can I do to make things better? Like I said, also, do you have open lines of communication with your other teachers? And if not, is there anything I can do to help you with that? And then this one, on a personal note, away from academics, what's making you crazy? What's keeping you sane? All right, don't be afraid to reach out to me or to each other to talk things out, blow off steam, or just vent. It helps just to see or hear or read a different voice other than the people you might be stuck in the house with. Then as you scroll down here, I have everything broken down more completely. Here's some questions if you need help with writing topics this week. And then I have the ongoing list of seeds that I will keep updated here. I haven't added anything new yet, but I will add some new stuff tomorrow when I have a little bit more time. Remember, those seeds are just ideas. You do not have to write about them. I'm just trying to help you out. You can always use our different focus pieces for the week as seeds for your writing too. There again is the sample writer's journal, the sample reader's log. Here's another link to the Newsella article, AP Classroom reminder, and Quizlet reminder. So these 4 things for this week, that's it. Keeping it simple. Remember to take a day off. Make sure you're resting. I haven't looked at the weather yet this week. Like I was just staring at the television watching the weather, but I didn't actually take anything in. So I'm not sure what the weather looks like. I know it's supposed to be windy tomorrow. So tomorrow's probably an inside day, but plan a day for some vitamin D and some sunshine. Take a break as much as you can. And please, as always, let me know if you need anything, clarification, just to talk, whatever. Or send a funny meme or a funny Bitmoji of me dressed as a bunny. I'm here for you. All right, girls. Happy Monday. Let's have another good week. And like always, let me know if you need anything. All right, we'll talk soon. See you later.